Welcome, friends. Very good morning to all of you. Today we are going to start with the lecture on English novel. English novel, the syllabus of the English novel, I would like to tell you first. Semester 6, paper number 15. This semester, the paper number is 15. Okay, paper number 15. Now there are the modules. Module number 5. For the previous semester, we had module number up to 1 to 4. Now we are having module 5. What is 5 module? Historical and psychological novel. This is the fifth module is historical and psychological novel. The sixth module is satirical novel and epistolary novel. These terms seem to be very difficult for you to even spell out. Module 7 is a novel, that is Animal Farm, a fairy tale written by George Orwell. Then there is module number 8. Module number 8 is a novel written by R.K. Narayan, The Guide. Then there are prescribed texts. There are Orwell George, Animal Farm, a fairy tale written in 1996. You have to study only this syllabus. I will give you in such a style that it will be very easy. You will find it very easy to recite all these, and we will take a revision of this every now and then. Today I am going to take your lecture on the elements of novel. You have, for the first year, you have studied about drama, about the novel in short. Now we are going to study in detail what is a novel, what are the elements of novel. You all know that the major elements of novel are plot, characters, setting, and the point of view. These are the major elements of the novel. Now, if you see about the plot, the way in which the story elements are arranged. The way in which the elements are arranged, it is a sequence of events. It helps to draw the reader into the characters' lives. It comments on the 5 parts. It consists of 5 parts. Exposition. First is exposition. Introduces all main characters, relation between each other, reveal goals and motivations. Rising action. There is rising action. Now, rising action. Protagonist understands his goal and works towards it. I would like you to make familiar with the types of novel. For your study, you are having the types of novel. What are these types of novels? There are historical novels, psychological novel, satirical novel, and epistolary novel. These are the 4 points historical background that you have to learn. Now, the type of novel. Epistolary novel. First of all, epistolary novel. I think it will be better if you hold a pen in your hand with a notebook and write down about these novels. First point is epistolary novel. First of all, you must know about the definition. What is the definition of epistolary novel? An epistolary novel is a novel written as a series of documents. It is written in the form of a letter. You won't find a conversation, but you will find that there are letters written by each other. What are the characteristics? When you are knowing about epistolary novel, you should be familiar with the characteristics. Characteristics: these novels written in an epistolary format are often less dialogue driven. There are very few dialogue, but more emphasis is given on thoughts, on feelings and emotions. Instead of being in the action with the protagonist, most scenes are filtered through the characters. The characters play a major role, and the memories of the characters are presented in such novels. The character is sitting in this simple in the chair, and it is remembering, it is having his sweet memories, his bad memories, he is recalling them, and the novel takes place. It is not like our ordinary novels. Now you must know about the function of epistolary novel. Function of epistolary novel of this form of writing is to give readers an intimate view of characters' feelings and thoughts. Through these novels, you will find that we will study about the characters' feelings and the thoughts and develop a direct connection with the events. We are directly connected to the events, but events in the manner, in the style of letters. Through letters, we are knowing about the character without interference of the author. The author is not playing any role, but the connection is between the um, the events through the letters without interference of the author. The characters are playing the all role. Benefits of epistolary. Now what are the benefits? Benefits म्हणजे काय? फायदा. तुम्हाला फायदा काय आहे या अशा प्रकारच्या कादंबऱ्यांपासून? काय मिळणार तुम्हाला? द प्रॉमिनंट बेनिफिट इज कॅरेक्टर डेव्हलपमेंट. द प्रॉमिनंट बेनिफिट इज कॅरेक्टर डेव्हलपमेंट. त्यातून तुमचं काय आहे? तुम्ही असं पाहाल की जो कॅरेक्टर आहे त्याची वाढ कशी होते, त्याच्यामध्ये कशी डेव्हलपमेंट होते, हे तुम्हाला या कादंबरीतनं दिसतं. Reading a novel in epistolary form can be much more fun and sticking with a single narrator. याच्यामध्ये काय आहे? याच्यामध्ये थोडंसं गंमत जम्मत असते. याच्यामध्ये फन, यू गेट फन अँड स्टिकिंग विथ अ सिंगल नॅरेटर. एकच नॅरेटर आहे, तोच बोलत असतो. मेकिंग यूज ऑफ ओनली लेटर्स कॅन बी रिअली डिफिकल्ट. मेकिंग यूज ऑफ ओनली लेटर्स काय? अशा पद्धतीच्या कादंबऱ्यांमध्ये फक्तच पत्रव्यवहार जर केला तर फार अवघड होतं किंवा बोरिंग होतं. कॅन बी रिअली डिफिकल्ट. हेन्स मेनी फेमस रायटर्स हॅव रिटन इन ओनली पार्शल इपिस्टोलरी फॉर्म. आपल्याला कंटाळवाणी होईल वाचकांना, म्हणून लेखकांनी अशा पद्धतीच्या कादंबऱ्यांमध्ये पार्शली लिहिलेलं आहे. पार्शली इपिस्टोलरी म्हणजे पूर्णतः पत्रव्यवहार एकमेकांचे करून अशी कादंबरी नाही केली, ते फार बोरिंग होईल. म्हणून काय केलं आहे? पार्शल, काही अंश. ओके. आता तुमच्या लक्षात आलं असेल, आपण परत एकदा रिवाईज करूया म्हणजे तुमच्या लक्षात येईल. तर याच्यामध्ये आपण पाहिलं की तुम्हाला जे मॉड्यूल नंबर 5 मॉड्यूल नंबर 6 आहे, त्या मॉड्यूल नंबर 6मधनं आपण काय केलं? मॉड्यूल नंबर 6मधनं आपण एक शॉर्ट नोट घेतली, जी आपण त्याला म्हणतो हिस्टॉरिकल बॅकग्राऊंड. इपिस्टोलरी नॉवेल. इपिस्टोलरी नॉवेल. आता इपिस्टोलरी नॉवेल, इपिस्टोलरी नॉवेलचे आपण काय पाहिलं? डेफिनेशन पाहिली, आपण कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक्स पाहिल्या, आपण फंक्शन ऑफ इपिस्टोलरी नॉवेल पाहिलं, त्याच्यानंतर आपण बेनिफिट्स ऑफ एपिस्टोलरी नॉवेल पाहिलं. बरोबर. आता कैसा दिसतंय रे? Friends, we will, I think, instead of just listening, if you write it down, then it will be very okay. The matter is on the screen, so you can take it down. Okay. If you have any problem in this script, then you can ask me. Okay. We will stop today over here. Thank you.